Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Friends, it's time to go back to school. Doors open, stoplight open. Friends, I'm so excited. Do you know why? Because our schools are going to start. And I love school bus. Today I'm gonna make a school bus pen holder. Just start the fun. Yellow and black paper. 1 rectangle box. Glue. 2 plastic cups. 1 small box. Scissor. 4 bottle caps for the wheels. Now cut it just like this. Look, 2 big holes. Wrap it with the yellow paper. I have 2 boxes and I'll paste it like this. Friends, look, now it looks like this. Look, friends, the school bus is ready. How are you? I'm good too. Beep, 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 beep. Bye, friends. Bye, friends. See you next time with a new video. I love you all. Please subscribe, like, and share for more fun.